I was running and I didn't see the hole, then crack, I fell. Before the incident, I was playing tag in the 4th grade, and then there was a hole. Then I fell into the ditch and hurt my ankle. The kid who I was playing with ran away like nothing happened. No one helped me, so I had to hop all the way to class. I asked the teacher if she could let me go to the nurse. Then she said, "No, I think that your ankle is okay." So when I went home, I told my mom what happened, and my mom was shocked and furious at the school. Then she put an ice pack on my ankle. The next day, we went to the hospital, and I didn't know if my ankle was broken or twisted. Then the doctor told us the news. He told us that my ankle was fractured and one of my bones were in another place.